Hello. Today we're going to be going over how you can pay your fees and fines for the library online. So to get started, you're going to want to open up a web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, whichever one you'd like to use. But you'll go to your address bar and you're going to go to our library catalog page. And that is https://catalog pinalcounty.az.gov/. Once you get here, you'll be greeted by the main opener for the page itself. But before we go any further, the first thing you need to do is go to your library. For us, that is Maricopa Public Library. So you'll go to this library link right here, and you'll click it. It'll show you all the different libraries that are in our Pinal County Library District. Just scroll on down to Maricopa Public Library. Click on that. And then, as you see right here, it just changed from just the county library to the Maricopa Public Library. You do need to do this in order to see the appropriate pay link that I'll show you in order to pay any of your fees and fines online. Now, after you've done that, the next thing to do is to log into your account. That'll be right over here in the top right where it says login. After you click on that, it should bring up the next window for you to put in the library card barcode number that's on the back of your library card, and then your password. Once you do that, you'll click login. Once you get logged in, it'll bring you to your main library account page. Right here in the center is where you'll see things that are currently checked out on your account. And then over here on the right, under My Account, you'll see your name, any items that are ready to be picked up at the library, or if in my case, oops, I've got $34.12 outstanding on my account. Now in order to get that paid, you'll simply click on the link. It'll bring up your fines and fees page. Now to give you some insight as to what each of these tabs mean, the title will show what item that the charge is for. The amount right here is the total amount of what you will have to pay. The balance right here is to show how much is left on the amount that you have to pay. So if I went in and paid $1 today, this number would reflect $33.12 instead of the full $34.12. Over here on the transaction date is when the charge hit your account. This right here will show you what type of charge it is. And then finally, the reason right here will show you what it's for. Unfortunately, it looks like I have an overdue item that brought about $34.12. Well, at least I can take care of that right now, so I can go in and pick up that item I have ready for pickup. From right here, you'll have to click on this checkbox. It'll click whatever items you're wanting to pay for the day. Once you've picked out the items you want to pay, click Pay Fines Now. It'll redirect you over here right before you go to PayPal, and it shows you everything that you're looking to pay for today. Once you're ready and you're good with what you're about to pay, click Continue, and it'll redirect you over to PayPal in order for you to pay. Luckily, you don't have to use PayPal if you do not have an account or don't want an account, but if you do, you can feel free to use that. Pretty simple right here. But if you're wanting to just get this done and over with and paid for, right down here is where you want to go. So you'll be paying with credit card or debit card. You'll simply fill out the necessary information all the way through, and then you'll hit Pay Now. Once you hit that Pay Now, if your information is all correct, it will go through and make the payment, and you'll be greeted by a receipt for what you just paid for. I hope this is helpful for anyone out there looking to take care of your fees and fines and get your library card back into good standing. Have a great day, and we'll see you in more of our library videos. Bye!